Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the next lesson on creating a website from scratch. We're currently working on my book on building a website, and we're looking at the chapters in the CSS section, which are free in my book. We are currently on Chapter 10, New Properties and Features in CSS3. Let's open the PDF file. We're currently looking at linear gradients, and we got here last time, and now we're going to look at a repeating linear gradient. It is implemented with this function. The size of the repeating gradient line or arc is the length from the value of the first to the value of the last point of establishment, so-called color stops. We need to know that if the first detection point contains only a color, without specifying a length, then the default value is used, which is 0. If the last point contains only color, then the value of 100% is used. That is, everything is filled. Here's an example of it. Let's see it on the browser. Here it is. Here I have described how and what exactly I did. The next type of gradient is a circular or radial gradient. Circular gradients are similar to linear gradients, except that it creates a gradient circle in a direction from a center point. We can specify where this point should be placed. We can make the center point round, because by it is oval, ellipse, by default. The differences are that with circular gradients the direction is at instead of to, and they can be given specific dimensions. We'll start with the simplest example with 2 colors. Here let's look at it on the browser. Oh, no, actually, I've put the following example here. Here it is with 2 colors. The following example is with 3 colors. When we determine the positions of the points of the establishment by setting certain positions, which can be different. Here, you see how it works here. The next variation has a different location of the center point of the gradient. Here, look. These are beautiful in my opinion. Here with setting the dimensions, through the size parameter, it is set. Through keywords, these 4, and see how it is for example for 3 variants. And actually up to here we're done with this tutorial, and in the next one we'll look at the repeating, or circular radial gradient. That's all from me for this tutorial. Best regards.